Hello everyone, my name is Fala Siva Andini and my student number is 074. In this video for final standardized test of speaking, and in this video I will answer all the questions from part 1, part 2 and part 3. In part 1, first, are you a student or are you working? I'm student and I'm study at Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Second, who made the decision about what you are currently studying? I made the decision myself, but my parents also supported and advised me. Third, are you good at making decisions? More of the time, yes. Even if I make mistakes, I try to learn more from them. Fourth, do you think you usually make the right decision? I think I'm quite good at making decisions, especially after thinking carefully. And the last, what do you think about people who change their minds after making a decision? I think it is normal because people may get new information or experience. Part 2, describe an important decision you had to make. An important decision I had to make was choosing my major when I entered university. At the time, I felt confused because I had several options and I was afraid of making the wrong choice. It was not an easy decision because it would affect my future. What helped me make the decision was advice from my parents and discussion with my friends. My parents shared their experience while my friend gave me different opinions. I also searched from information on the internet to understand each option better. I believe I made the right decision, although I faced some difficulty at the beginning. Over time, I started to enjoy my studies and felt more confident with my choice. This decision was very important because it influenced my future career and personal development. By choosing the right major, I feel more motivated to study and achieve my goals. Part 3. First, do you think it is harder to make decisions nowadays because we have so many choices? Yes, I think it is harder to make decisions nowadays because there are too many choices. This often makes people feel confused and afraid of making the wrong decision. The second, do you think young people today have different types of decisions to make about their life compared to young people in the past? Yes, they do. Young people today need to make decisions about education, jobs, and technology, which were not very common in the past. Third, what are the advantages of asking other people advice when making a decision? Asking for advice can help us get different opinions. Other people's experience can also help us make better decisions. Fourth, do you think some people are better at making decisions than others? Some people are better at making decisions because they have more experience and can think calmly. They are also more confident in their choice. Fifth, some people say we only learn by making mistakes. Do you agree? Yes, I agree. Making mistakes help us learn important lessons and improve our decision in the future.